What's up, y'all? It's your boy D.O. Duran back with another video. And today I'm gonna teach y'all how to get curly hair. So I already shampooed and conditioned and deep conditioned my hair. So y'all just gotta, I'm gonna take y'all through the styling process here. So first you gonna need some leave-in conditioner. Y'all probably can't see that here. It's upside down. Y'all gonna need some leave-in conditioner, some curl cream, some oil, which I barely got oil, and the best styler gel, Eco Styler, bro. Like Eco Styler, bro, you can't go wrong with that, bro. So you really can't go wrong with it. So first, you gotta section up your hair. I did record a video. I did start recording a video like earlier, bro, but then my camera just cut off. I was like, that's so stupid. It don't make no sense. But I don't know, things be going wrong. So section off your hair. I section my hair off into 4 parts, but y'all could do more if your hair is not long enough. But I do it into 4. It's easier for me like that. Also get you a spray bottle. So in the last video I recorded, I literally just did this part. So I'm gonna just start with this part. So first thing y'all wanna do, spray your hair with water. Bruh. But don't use too much. Alright. I'll just rake it in there so tough. Then get you your leave-in conditioner. Get you like a little bit. Get you like this much. I just be adding a lot because I want that moisture. I want my hair to be moisturized and look shiny, kind of. Because it's winter too, so my hair be getting dry quick. If you got some knots, you tangle it like this, and just like use your thumb to like move it. You know how to do it. It's not that hard to finger detangle. It's just like fill it and separate it, but don't rip your hair out. Don't be like ripping your hair out. Just like finger detangle it. Smooth. Like that. And I'll just rake it in there. You gotta get it in there. Alright, when you're done with that, get your curl cream. Get like a little bit, bro. Like I cannot stress this enough, bro. Get a little bit, bro. The curl cream that I'm using is really thick, bro. And I'll tell you, bro, if you use too much curl cream and you don't have like long hair, like super long hair, bro, your hair is finna be wet. Stupid. Hey, you finna look stupid. Just use like a little bit. I barely use curl cream. Like if I didn't have to use curl cream, which I don't think you have to, but if I didn't have to, bro, I would not use curl cream at all, bro. It just irritates me, bro. I do not like my hair white, bro. It's just so stupid, bro. So just get some more water, spray it in there, and just keep raking it through. If you need some more though, like if you feel like it's not enough, get you some more curl cream. But me personally, I would not use that. But I'm gonna use a little bit.
1 hour later.
Alright, so when you done with that, get your oil. Like I said, I don't got that much oil, so I'm gonna use a little bit. And just put it in there. Do the same thing like you did with the curl cream and leave-in. Just put it in there. Don't be ripping out your hair. Like, obviously some hair is gonna come out, but don't rip through, bro. Like, just feel through. You don't gotta rip it through. Alright, next you're gonna get your gel, your eco style. Make sure it's eco style. I know I grabbed this Cantu thing, but I got some eco in there, so that's why. Get you your eco gel. And I use this a lot, bro. Get you like this much to start off. You go put it on your ends. Get you like that. Make your hands, do this with your hands. Alright? And just put it in there. And rake, like, barely rake it through. Like, rake it through a little bit, but don't rake it through, like, too much. I read this, I was watching this video, they said, like, don't rake the gel into your hair, because it's gonna, like, mess up your curls or, like, split your curls or something. But I used to do that a lot, and my curls still came out alright. So just do that. Like, just put it in. Don't forget to get your ends, obviously, because that's the oldest part of your hair. So get your ends. And I know y'all can see these curls, bro. Can y'all see this? I know y'all see this. Look at that. Look at that. I'm telling you, bro. I got 4B and 4C hair, so like the front part of my hair is like 4B. Y'all see that? Front part of my hair is 4B, bro. And like the size like right here is 4C, bro. I gotta put like more effort into that. I know y'all see the curls, bro. I can't see it because I'm not looking at it, but I know y'all see the curls, bro. I know it's there. I just know it's there. Watch, I'm putting y'all on. Look, if this actually worked for y'all, like the video. I'm gonna get y'all part 2. A full, like, shampoo, condition, deep condition, detangling, all that stuff. Like this video though. Get it to like 350 likes, and I'll give y'all part 2. Now I'm gonna take like a little bit, like this much. I'm gonna take like that much. And I'm gonna get my ends, cause my ends gotta get curly too. I don't like it like when my roots are curly, but my ends aren't. It just irritates me a little bit. Bro, I know y'all see this, bro. Look at this. Look at that. Look at all that. Bro, say less, bro. I'm putting y'all on, bro. Say less. Say less. Alright, so I finished the front half, so I'm finna do the back. But I gotta go do something real quick, like real quick. So, YouTube, I'm back. So, the last thing y'all got, I finished my hair, so last thing y'all gotta do is spray your hair with water. So I'm gonna do that. Spray it all around. And have your shirt under you, cause it's gonna be wet everywhere, bro. Ooh, it's cold. It's kind of cold. It's kind of cold. Alright. I'm finna shake. Get my shirt. You get my shirt? Actually, I'm gonna just back up. Just shake like crazy. Hey, your curl should look good, bro. Anyways, yeah. So that's how y'all get curly hair. So I hope y'all like this video. Give me to 300 likes, like I said. And if you gonna like, I mean, y'all might as well subscribe, you feel me? Get my boy Beamer Max up. He finna come up too, boy. So like his video too. And that's it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.